Hello and welcome back to another customer repair, another PS5. Handy dandy repairs. So this one was apparently dropped, had some drop damage. It was in a protective case. So he's got this big case for it. So apparently it was in that when it was dropped. So hopefully it's okay. But apparently now it's a beep on, beep off. So let's have a bit of a look at that and see what we can find out. So I'm just going to turn that all off for now. First things first, I just want to verify the fault. So I'm just going to plug it in. Give it a few seconds and we'll try and turn it on. So we're pulsing blue at the moment. And we've gone to a white light. Just going to repair console storage. So it should restart. There we go. We've got an image. It booted. There we go. It booted. I don't know if that's a good thing or not, to be honest. Intermittent faults are never a good thing. I will probably pull it apart, just give it a quick service, check the liquid metal, that sort of thing. But it did turn on. It's making weird noises, getting graphical issues. I think the APU is cooked on this one. Let's open it up and inspect it. But I have a feeling this is not going to be fixable. Okay, got it all torn down. Oh, that's not good. You know what, maybe that is good. Maybe that means that the APU isn't cracked or bad, it's just spilt liquid metal. Maybe this is a good thing. Let's go ahead and get that cleaned up and retest it, I suppose. I think we'll start out here and work our way in. Actually, it might be better to work our way out. There's really no good place to pick this up from, so. Left some staining there. Hopefully that's okay. Maybe I can remove some of that with a nano sponge or something. But I don't think that's going to cause any issues. Just the staining. I've never actually seen this, where the liquid metal ends up all over the board. I can only imagine it's a pretty bad drop for that to happen, because this foam does a great job of keeping it all in. Just going to hit this with the fiberglass pen. Try and make sure it's as clean as possible so we can inspect it properly. Surprisingly, I don't see any cracks in this. Wow, I think we may have got extremely lucky. So I'm just going to give these a bit of a proper clean again with the nano sponge and spice purple. See if we can remove some of that staining. It is just staining at this stage. I don't think it's going to be conductive, so I don't think it's going to be an issue. But just for a little bit of peace of mind, I'm going to try my best. Not picking up any more liquid metal. I think we're all good there. Now I just want to have a look under the APU, just in this corner specifically, to make sure nothing's gone under there. And I think we're okay. I am absolutely gobsmacked. If this does work, I'll be stoked. I think the customer will be even happier than I am, but I will be stoked. Just trying to clean all the liquid metal out of there. Keep it away from the edges of the foam best I can. Okay, let's spread some fresh stuff on here. Okay, I'm just going to set that to the side. And we'll do the same with this. Okay, so now we're all back here. So I'll just get the majority. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, it's rock hard. What is that? Is that a combination of liquid metal and thermal paste? Or, oh, I don't know. The liquid metal has just gone hard. I have never seen that before. That's crazy. It's like the metals have separated. That's crazy. Let me go and clean that up. Okay, that got rid of the majority of that. Let's continue cleaning. Okay, let's reinstall the board. Before you watch the rest of the video, go down to the comments and let me know if you think this is going to work. But yeah, let me finish getting this assembled and we'll find out. Okay, we're pretty much fully back together. There's not much I would be able to do anyway if this doesn't work, so I figured I might as well put it all back together. But yeah, let's find out. Let's give it a test and see what happens. Let's turn my TV back on. Put the HDMI back in. And in 3, 2, 1. Turn it on with the controller. Let's see what happens. There we go. Let's see if we stay on. No graphical issues this time, just yet. Can't connect to the network, that's normal. See if we can actually launch a game. Definitely made it further than every other time. Well, I've actually never had that. I've never had one that was dropped so hard the liquid metal and it went everywhere. I've never seen that before, especially without actually doing more damage to the APU or even knocking components off the power supply. I've seen that before, but I've never had a spill like this before. So let's... I mean, we're playing a game. The game's loaded and everything. No graphical issues, no noise issues, no sound issues. I think it's fixed. I am as blown away as you are. That's another episode done though. I know the customer's going to be wrapped. I'm wrapped. I'm shocked. I'm happy as though. I'm really happy. If you need something repaired, details are in the description. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and bell notifications, and we will see you in the next one.